Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So finally the Instagram Reels translation is working properly in India. So currently we have this many languages translation. So how this feature work, I will show you in my mobile screen. So once you open your Instagram account, go to notification tab, and here you will get a notification once a reel is posted. So you can see the first one. Just click on this one, and when you will click on this one, you will get the list of language which are supporting right now. You can select any one and you can manage your translation. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you. Thanks for watching.